we are in the lucky position that we do actually have a little bit of direct evidence for the way that Richard wrote. This is before he's king, and he's writing to borrow £100. Sir, I sa I pray you that ye fail me not at this time in me great need, as ye will that ye show you me good lordship in that matter that ye labour to me for. We wold most gladly ye come yourself, if that ye may, and if ye may not, we pray you not to fail, but to accomplish in all diligence me sad commandment, to send me sail incontinent upon the seat hereof, as we trust you, with such as ye trust, and the officers pertaining to attend with it, praying you to ascertain us of your news. Here, loved be God, is all well and truly determined,